Tpco America, a true blending of cultures and a brand new industry for South Texas. Our 1.6 million square foot steel processing plant on 253 acres just east of Gregory, Texas, is the largest single investment by China in a U.S. manufacturing facility. This $1.1 billion project comes from the vision, the hard work, and diplomatic skills of some extraordinary leaders in China and here in South Texas. Their efforts date back to 2007.
When they discovered this project and brought it up and decided that we were going to work on it, I think it was the best thing that ever happened to us.
Early on, those who envisioned what this giant investment would become called it Project G, and that did not stand for Gregory.
Texas mill will be the biggest one, so we call it G project. G means great.
We need that right time, right place, and the right people. And certainly among that right person, right people is most important. So we think that we choose Corpus Christi, choose this project, and we have this three right.
Tpco America's story is a story about their people, their products, and their manufacturing facilities, which, in a real sense, connect the bustling port of Tianjin, China, to Corpus Christi and the entire coastal bend.
The diplomatic success getting Washington, D.C. and Beijing to work together, particularly the Chinese government to make the decision to invest over $1 billion into this site, took tremendous coordination and collaboration between many government leaders and business and industry, education and workforce, and this is the outcome.
We're glad you're here.
Yeah, glad, very glad. And also we got a lot of support also from local government, local community.
The Tianjin Pipe Company, or Tpco, the Chinese parent company, is that nation's largest producer of seamless steel pipe, a product that's currently in huge demand in the oil and gas industry. But Tpco also produces pipe products that are used in construction all around the world. And where does that metal come from? Primarily, it comes from waste materials, things people have thrown away. A huge furnace melts it all down, and through an exclusive process turns out the high-quality seamless pipe you see here. The facility in San Patricio County is in a perfect position to supply the considerable needs of the domestic oil and gas industry. It will help the effort in this country to become energy independent, and it will even help to keep prices in check for energy consumers.
We know it's a very unique industry coming in. It's a new industry coming, and the largest foreign direct investment ever from China onto a greenfield site. It just doesn't get much better than that.
Here in San Patricio County, after the initial construction phase, which will have created jobs for some 2,000 American workers, Tpco America will employ 300 to 400 workers on a permanent basis. Initially, the workforce will concentrate on processing, finishing, and distributing pipe that's already been milled. Ultimately, when the plant's main furnace comes online and once production ramps up to full capacity, the workforce may expand to between 600 and 800 people. With that labor force and the additional support businesses that will set up near the site, the true economic benefits to the coastal bend will approach $3 billion over the first 10 years of operation.
We have, for right now, half of our employees are Chinese and half from local. Right now, we are having a really great time, and then we enjoy to work together.
It's been a lot of challenging, but I'm having the best time of my life.
Well, I feel really honored to have been on the ground floor with Tpco America.
because this is a brand new industry for South Texas, most of that workforce will require specialized training. Fortunately, we have top-notch colleges and training facilities and administrators stepping up to meet that challenge head-on. That includes Dr. Mark Escamilla, president of Del Mar College.
TPCO America will have needs in all aspects of their operations. Getting specific in the technical areas, you're going to have programs such as welding, such as non-destructive technology, machining, CNC, and other types of programs such as these that will support directly the line operations of TPCO America as they begin to initially finish out pipe that is brought in and preparation for sale, and then eventually operating all of the machinery and electronics and everything, all the equipment necessary to smelt and then therefore forge seamless pipe.
Here on the West Campus at Del Mar College, the infrastructure is already in place to provide training courses on welding, non-destructive testing procedures, workplace and employee safety, and much more. Similar facilities and training will also be taking place at the Craft Training Center in Calallen. Texas A&M Corpus Christi will also be part of the training team. Top representatives of those campuses recently traveled to Tianjin to see firsthand how the parent company operates and how they might be able to tailor their industrial training facilities to better match the specific needs of TPCO America.
It's great for the industry, for our area, for the Corpus Christi area to have this product, but it's also great for jobs and careers.
For our students to be able to get an opportunity to see engineering and its application in its reality, this is something that's going to be a dream for our programs. It's going to be a tremendous boon.
Among the key elements ingrained in every part of this project is concern for the surrounding environment. TPCO America wants its new neighbors to know that adhering to the highest environmental standards has been and will always be a top priority. Again, the very heart of the smelting process involves the use of recycled scrap steel and pig iron. The electric arc furnace being constructed on site is powered by electricity and natural gas. Using the best available control technology and cutting-edge processes helps to ensure the lowest possible emissions, the most efficient use of energy, and an environmental impact that is well within acceptable limits. Plans call for recycling much of the water used by the plant, and even retaining as much stormwater as possible for reuse. It's worth noting that TPCO quickly secured the all-important air permit from the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality.
No lightheadedness, nobody feeling sick. Good job, gentlemen, good job, ladies.
Another vitally important concern here at TPCO America, workplace and employee safety.
Check the leakage, stuff like that. Not a procedure. Probably we need to prepare.
Here, within the company's executive office in One Shoreline Plaza, an emergency preparedness plan has already been created and put in place for the manufacturing plant. Key personnel have been assigned specific duties to make sure that any emergency is handled quickly, appropriately, and professionally.
It absolutely is going to be a top priority. I go one step farther, priorities change, so I try to make safety a culture. Cultures don't change, values don't change.
These two cultures can blend very easily, and then as long as we just think about each other, and then it won't be a very hard task.
I'm learning a lot. The Chinese have walked us through the entire process, and every day is a learning experience, and to see a facility like that go up here is just remarkable.
For TPCO America, it's all about doing the right things, being a good neighbor, and learning from each other.
I'm from Tianjin, which is TPCO headquarters, and I heard some company from my hometown, investing here. I was just excited. I'm just thrilled.
And so it's given us an opportunity to combine the cultures and make it wonderful, fabulous, because now we're working together.
The company's been wonderful to the employees, to like community partners. We're trying to also get involved more in the community. We're going to be volunteering with the Heart Walk this year, so we have a team organized for that. So we're starting to establish some things, trying to get the team that we do have involved more in our community.
Every employee at Tpco America will know they're part of something very special and unique, that we are breaking new ground, literally creating a new industry and taking the best of the Chinese business culture and the American and South Texas business culture and hybriding it up to create something very unique for this region.
This truly is international diplomacy at ground level, a blending of cultures to the benefit of everyone. That includes our current and future employees, people who want to be part of this exciting new industry in South Texas. It is an opportunity with unlimited potential, a chance to be part of something great.